In primetime news this evening, 48-hour curfew imposed in Spanish Town as the authorities move to restore order.
Schools and businesses shuttered as tension grips the old capital.
And Health Ministry expects thousands of applications following job fair. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, Andrea Chisholm is here.
Well, Janella, we've heard complaints from some residents about the lack of automated banking machines in their areas. Well, the governor of the Bank of Jamaica is in support of a proposal for the government to partner with banks to establish more ATMs. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And JB is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, thank you, Archibald. As you know, the Freedom Street concert was held at the National Stadium recently. Well, since then, the stadium has remained closed. We'll tell you why a bit later on.
Wow.
Yeah, and Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, this weekend we are expecting an increase in shore activity across the area. We do have a trough system that is in the Western Caribbean, and there's also a frontal system that could affect weather conditions this weekend.
More rain. That is wonderful news as far as I'm concerned. There is more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we're asking what more can be done to restore order in Spanish Town.
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.